Hi guys, Nathan again here from Cornerstone FX. We're back again with another market analysis video. As always, I'll be analyzing two pairs with you. The first pair I'm going to be analyzing with you here is Gbp Usd, and then we'll move on to Gbp AUD. All right, so as you can see here, we had a key area at the bottom here that price came down to. How we look at this is that price was moving down. So we were looking for sells in this downward moving structure here. But now, because we have tested this bottom area here and price has broken above our trend here, we see that the sentiment now is to the upside. And so we're going to be looking for buying opportunities. What I am noticing here as well is that there is a key area over here. And what we wait for price to do now is to, like we always say, price must go up, creating a higher high, come down, creating a higher low, and then we'll look to take a buy from these areas. Just something, again, that we have to be cognitive of is that there is an area here that price has come to test. So we do see that there is a reaction off of that area. So again, we wait for price to pull back, respect this area. Hopefully it does. If it does respect this area, after we get our confirmation on the lower time frames, we will then be looking to take a buy from these areas over here. Okay, good guys. That's my analysis and my sentiment on GU. Moving on to GA. On GA, we see something quite similar, where price was moving down initially. We got a break again of our downtrend, and price has started moving up. This is a better setup for me, simply because we've already gotten our first higher high. Our first higher high, our higher low, our second higher high, and price has moved down a bit already, and it does look like price is beginning to continue up. So again, what I will be looking for, let me clear this just to make it clearer. We have an area here that price has also broken above. We have a retest of that area as seen as well on our lower time frames. And it does look like price is beginning to push up. So we will just wait for a clearer pattern to form, a clearer indication that we can enter the market, because the market right now is a little bit rangy. So I do want to give the markets time to breathe a bit, but I will be looking for a buying opportunity around these areas here. And that will be my total take profit all the way up there. Along the way, I will look to secure some profits when price reaches these highs. First one there, second one around there, only because that's the area here. And then all the way up over here will be my final take profits. Okay guys, again, always remember to plan your trades and then trade your plans. I hope you got some value from this analysis. I hope that we continue to give you valuable information that you can take back into your trading careers, and hopefully we can all profit together. Thanks guys, until next time.
What's up guys, Brandon here from Cornerstone FX, and as per usual, I'll be taking it from here. We're busy with the pre-market analysis for the week ahead, and I'll be doing two pairs with you guys. The first pair is Gbp Cad, and then we'll move over to Euro GBP. So as you can see, I'm on the 4-hour chart on Gbp Cad. Right now, we can see we're in a beautiful downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs. On this, we have made the lower low right over here. Let me just mark that for you. We have made the lower low right over here, and we had a nice pullback right into our lower high, the previous lower high. And if I drop down to the 1-hour chart, we can have a look at this. So there we can see clear structure. We've got the pullback to go short, to continue with the momentum. However, I do see that we made an equal lower high right there. At this point in time, I do see some type of consolidation. So before I do anything, because we're still on a 1-hour uptrend, as you can see in the pullback on the 4-hour time frame, it's a 1-hour uptrend right here. So what I'd like to happen on this market before I take any entries is I'd like, because I'm bearish, I am only looking for sells. So I'd like to see some nice selling pressure breaking below that zone right there with a retest, and then we can continue back. First target will be right here, breaking through, retesting, perhaps possibly there you can maybe scale in with another entry before continuing down to the final targets, which would be to our next daily level, which will be somewhere around, let me look at that for you. Our next daily level on this pair would be around about, let's do this, there we go, around about 69,850. So if we can get a pullback, or if price can push down, retest, we'll enter right over there. Depending on candlestick confirmation, entry would look something like this, with stops just above here. First target, obviously right here, and then continue it right down with a nice 1 to 4 risk to reward on this pair. Right, if I jump over to Euro GBP, on this one we can see we were in a nice bullish trend. Let me just move this out of the way. Right here you can see we were in a nice strong bullish trend right there, breaking the highs over here. So we broke, we retested, we are pushing up. If I can continue, if I can come down to the 1-hour chart, so here we can see we're making nice higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We have made an equal high and an equal low right here. So on this pair, I am bullish once again on this one. So on this one, this pair, before I take any entries, I'd like to see price push up from here, breaking that high. So we'd like to get a nice break over there with a retest before continuing. However, as you know, the market can do whatever it likes to do. So if we do see this as changing market structure and making this now the lower, so this is the high, making this the lower high to continue down, then we would look for something like this. So we'd look for a break there, a retest before continuing down. So that's my analysis on these two pairs. As you can see, we are waiting right now before we get any entry. We are going to enter on a nice candlestick formation. That's it from us, guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Interact with us on Instagram. Let us know what you think. We wish you a great trading week. Please stay tuned for the recap later this week that we will let you know.